to show you how to make this beautiful summer hanging arrangement. How I would make this beautiful hanging cage is I would put in some cellophane to stop the water from dripping, and the oasis, I'd soak that in water. To begin, I would start with the greenery. And the way I've kept this upright is just by using some coasters to stop it from moving. And then I just dot the greenery all around to make a really nice shape. Once I've done that, I would start to add in some roses, my main flower. Like so. And they can all be slightly different heights as well, and making sure that you go all around to make sure it's a nice shape. So dotting the roses all around. The roses in place, I would then add a nice filler flower. So I've got here chrysanthemums and I've got solidago. Added all the chrysanthemums, I would then pop in the solidago. Beautiful arrangement. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.